Hey, how's it going? How's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw Pokemon. I'm going to be drawing Marill from Pokemon. I don't know how you pronounce it. Marill from Pokemon. It's going to be easy. It's cute, adorable, simple. I'm going to be using this Crayola brand marker. You can use anything you want. Don't feel like you have to use this marker. You can use any other marker. I do have a recommendation list in the description, so you can go check that out of all the supplies I tend to use. Also, you can use, I use regular printing paper straight from the printer, so... Alright then, that's pretty much all we need to know. So, first stroke of the entire thing is going to be a big curve. Almost think of it like the letter C. Like the huge letter C. Kind of extend that if you want, as you want. Going to do another letter C over here for the ear. And I'm going to draw a line out, in for kind of the arm. Out, line in here for the other arm. What it is, this is the body, right? And then now I'm putting the ear, the arm. And see, now that I put this arm out here, I'm going to complete the circle behind there. So I can complete the circle now. I always say the letter C because it's so much less intimidating to draw a letter C than to say like circle. Now I'm going to go over here on this side and draw also the letter C over here for the ear. Pokemon's huge. I mean, I can't believe Pokemon stuck around since my generation. I cannot believe it's still around. It's amazing. I love it. Curve over here for the top portion of that ear. I'm so glad Pokemon is still around. It's more popular. It's as popular as ever. Things that stuck around since my generation, I would say, are SpongeBob and this, where kids still like them. It's pretty amazing. Curve over here for the inside of this ear. Over here on this side. Line. Over here on this side for the other foot. Obviously his hands and feet are all just kind of nubs. They're all nubby. I'm going to draw another hump, another C curve right here across the chest for that design. And I'm going to go into the face now. Also, don't forget, hit the subscribe button and click the bell notification. I'm going to try to draw every Pokemon imaginable in a really simple, direct way. So absolutely hit that subscribe button. It is fun. Is it exciting? It is exciting. Like I said, it's always going to be easy and just simple. So absolutely do that when you have time. But like I said, click the bell notification though. That's really important. Smile here for a little smile on his face. Go across. We got that thin little smiley. Looks like a banana shape. Circle. Circle on both sides. This could be the eyes. Leave a tiny circle inside each one of them, and that's going to be the highlight. Fill that in. Fill this in as well. Dot. Alright, now we got his mouse face. Now we need his mouse tail. Out. And it's going to zigzag. And it's really just going to be a straight line, so it'll be simple. See how easy that was? Since we're not going to put any depth into it or any thickness. Circle. It's mostly it. What I'm going to do is I'm going to add a thick contour line, which is what I do with every Pokemon. Or every drawing I do almost. I add a thick line on the outside contour. And what that does is that gives it a... I don't know, it looks like a sticker. It has a more animated look to it. I just like it. I think it looks neat. Out over here. Down. Up here. Just gonna continue to do that. If you need to turn the paper, you can always turn the paper. It's like I said, it's pretty cool. Like I said, if there's any Pokemon I don't have on my list, which there's a lot I don't have, let me know. I'm gonna just try to do them one by one until I do them all, and that's kind of my major goal. All right, here again, just kind of fixing up this line. When you're drawing in general, it's good to draw like every day. It's better to draw a little bit every day than to draw like a lot for one day a week. I just kind of think, because you're kind of getting used to that, you're getting your brain used to that habit. I'm going to actually make this line a little bit thicker. This line I put out here. But yeah, practicing drawing is important. Everybody asks me like, well, how do you do this? How do you do this? Well, a big part of it, like I said, is, you know, keeping consistent at it. Anything you're consistent with, you will, it will work out. Alright, now I'm going to do the ball. Ball here. And I'm just going to kind of repair a couple of lines, a few places, but like I said, that's mostly it. And now I'm just going to talk about stuff, so, you know, you can go if you're done with the drawing. Otherwise, I am going to talk a little bit about drawing in general and some things that I do that I think make me feel better. So what I do is I almost always warm up before I draw. I usually draw a sheet of circles, and I warm up that way. I think it makes my overall shakiness. Sometimes I'll start, right, and you'll feel a little bit shaky if you haven't drawn in a few days. And so that's kind of the muscles kind of acting the way they haven't in a while. And that just goes away over time. But the best thing that makes that go away for me is creating circles on the sheet of paper. And what that does is it really makes the whole thing 10 times easier. So that's kind of what I'm after. And I'm after that for you too. You got to make the whole process simpler, like making all these curved lines, especially with marker. You want to have a steady hand. And so, like I said, I always recommend that. But anyways, that's it. If you want to see my full drawing lessons, I have giant drawing lessons that are still free on Skillshare. That over there I have stuff like hour-long lessons on how to draw a dragon, how to draw the anatomy, a little bit more complicated stuff, but it's all geared toward beginners, even though it is more complicated. That's it. Thank you so much. Call me Enrique. My name is Enrique. Call me by name in the comments there so I know that you got to this point. And that is it. I will talk to you very soon, and we will hang out, all right? See ya later, everybody. Easies. I'm going to call everybody Easies. See you later, Easies.